Hi there! Today we're making some special omelette with asparagus and crab. So I have used tin crab here, but if you can get fresh crab or salad crab, that would taste even better, I feel. So I have used a generous amount of butter, but you can reduce or even omit it and just go with the olive oil. As you can see, I haven't chopped all of the asparagus. I have kept some stalks intact so that when I serve it, it will look pretty on my plate. And I want the green to shine instead of getting buried in the omelette. I'm making an open-faced omelette, so all the ingredients inside is visible and the person who is having it will get a chance to see what's gone into it, and it will definitely look special instead of folding. If you're going to serve the omelette as a breakfast in bed, it is a good idea to microwave the plate in which you're going to serve the omelette for 30 seconds or slightly more, so the plate stays warm and the omelette stays warm for longer time. So do keep that in mind. Even if you're serving it at the dinner table, it's really nice to have a warm plate instead of a cold plate that will cool off the omelette faster. And I have served it with some fresh radish. You can either slice it, or since it's baby radish, you can serve it as it is. I hope you love this recipe and you'll give this a try, maybe this Mother's Day or Father's Day, and do give me a thumbs up and tell me in the comments below if you really liked it, what else would you like to see, and do visit my website for more such recipes or interesting asparagus recipes if you like. And thank you so much for watching.